Rachel, can you roll over? Rachel, can you roll over? Come here.
Rip them to pieces with my bare hands.
Come here. Can you roll over? Huh? I know. Can you do it? You can do it. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Can you go?
What do you mean I may do?
Yay. Go all the way.
Why are you here if I may do?
Yay. Yay, Rachel.
Please, if you'd rather take them over, I will not
Yay.
protest.
Yay, Rachel. Yay,
That's where you were these
Rachel.
last hours, I suppose.
Hi, Isabella. Did you see Sissy? You better hurry and catch up. Gotta catch up with Sissy. Yeah. Gotta catch up with Sissy.